This is Remy Storm Spotter at your news live. It is currently 52 degrees outside, high of 72 and a low of 39. Chilly for today. It's cloudy, or there's a chance of cloudiness right now. Just kidding. It's gone. There's some possible severe thunderstorms that are in the evening, and not only are they going to be at night, chance of tornadoes, tiny. They're isolated, even worse. So it's probably gonna last from today, 6 p.m. today, all the way to tomorrow, 7 a.m. So beware and be ready. So it's gonna be kind of dangerous today. And every single storm chaser's nightmare is chasing at night. Oh. There's a rabbit. Anyways, that's all for today. So now remember, weather never sleeps. I'm gonna go on rabbit watching.